Watch what happens when I move this screen. Boom. That's what you get. Completely clogged with one of these screens. Look what happens when I remove this screen. Woo. Turn the dryer on, still not drying, and it's because of this screen. Look what it does. Look at this. It forms in the paper. That's how paper was invented. Pressure plus humidity plus fiber turns in the paper. This is impenetrable. No air could get through. This will clog your dryer vent. Very dangerous. So the customer was saying that their clothes wasn't drying well. Look, it's completely clogged with this screen here. Make sure there's not this screen on top of your vent. Move this. So this is the dryer vent at a tanning salon. They were wondering why it wasn't drying. Look at that. It has this screen to keep birds and animals out, but look what happens. No air at all is coming through here. Look what happens when I remove it. Now it's starting to flow. Crazy. You do not want one of these screens on your dryer vent. So customers saying the dryer's taking really long to dry. Look, there's like a screen there, and all the air is only coming out of that tiny little hole. With that screen there, the airflow is not going to be what you want it. You want it around 10, and we're only getting about 7. So I'm going to fix it. So there it is, another screen, and the dryer is not drying the clothes. Customers wondering why. Look at this screen. Look what happens when I take it off. Boom. Now the dryer will work. This is what you get. Completely clogged, will not work. If I clean this off and put it back, it'll get clogged up again in about 2 weeks.